Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We're here on a hotel cleaning. We're doing the hallways and the stairs. As you can see, hallway. There's a big stain right here. You can see the streaks and it's real dark. So this is the first area that I'm going to go ahead and try to get. See the stain there? We already started the stairs. They look great compared to what they did. See the stains in here. Stains here. Stains here. Some stains up here. And then there's 4 hallways like this. So there's 2 above us as well. I'm not going to walk up there to show you. This is just to show you, where the stains are. These are where most of the prominent stains are on the first 2 floor or on the first floor. So we're going to move on to the next. So you can see that dark spot right there, and we're getting ready to clean that. So there you go. As you can see, you can tell it's clean from the dirty. So I just wanted to show the color difference here. We did this hallway back here, and you can see it's darker above here, and up here it's grayer, and up here it's a light brown. So I don't know if you can see it in here, but there's a color difference when you're here right now. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's brown instead of gray. Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. We're almost finished here with the hotel cleaning. We're working on the hallway. We're halfway done with the last hallway, but I want to show you how it came out. Came out really good. That's just the texture of the carpet. There was a big stain in here, and it was really dark. As you can see, it totally came up. All right, there were stains all over, up in here that are gone. And it just looks great. Big stain in here in front of the door. All right, we got that up. Huge staining in here. This is a high traffic area. As you can see, some of them did not come up. Reason being, this carpet hasn't been cleaned in over 6 months. So to avoid that from happening, you have to get it cleaned every 6 months at least. If it's a very high traffic area or a restaurant, you want to clean these every 6 months, or every 3 months, I'm sorry. Here was huge area. It was totally filled and saturated with dirt. And these carpets turned out great. right. Let me show you the stairs, because these stairs were really dirty and we really got them clean. Here. So there are the stairs. All right.
Done?
Almost. We're finishing up the last hallway.
At the last, can you please just clean up this?
Yeah, yep. The rugs?
Yeah.
No problem. There are heavy stains up front. I was talking to the owner. And just to give you an example, this right here, this line is still dirty here. But this here, this part is clean. So we couldn't hit that because of course it's next to the customer, person's room. So we don't want to hit the door. All right. And then I want to show you this hallway. We still have this to do. We want to get that up. We still have half this hallway. Cody, you want to go ahead and get this area?
Yep.
We got the front area done up front. As you can see, there's a heavy stain over here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that stain. So that stain is gone. All right. And so that's just so you know the results that we're dealing with. And see us for the next video.